Hello guys, so welcome back to the SQL section of data engineering with animation. I'm back with another interview level SQL question, which is primary department for each employee. This question has been asked multiple times in bank companies and different years. So let us go to the question. And the table name is employee. There are three columns for this table: employee ID, department ID, and primary flag. Employee ID and department ID is the primary key for this table. Employee ID is the ID of the employee. Department ID is the ID of the department to which the employee belongs. Primary flag is an enum category of type Y and N. If the flag is Y, the department is the primary department for the employee. If the flag is N, the department is not primary. Okay. So basically, the employee can belong to multiple department, but only one of that department would be a primary department. Okay. Like this, employee can be belong to multiple department. When the employee joins other department, they need to decide which department is their primary. Okay, note that when an employee belongs to only one department, their primary column is N. Suppose if I belong only to maths department, so my primary department column would be N. So let us see the example. Write a solution to report all the employees with their primary department. For employees who belong to one department, report their only department. So, okay. So I hope the question is clear that you have to report the primary departments of every employee. And suppose if any employee, for example, me, is belonging only to one department, then we have to return only that department for that employee. And that department will be marked as N. So that is where the problem lies. So see, this is an input table, right? So suppose consider the employee which belong to multiple departments. Now, suppose if I have to return the employee ID and the department ID, I can only do select employee ID, comma department ID from employee table where primary flag is equals to Y. So we will get 2 and 1, we will get 4 and 3, which is half of our answer, right? This N, which is for the what you say, the employees which have only one entry or belong to only one department, is creating problem for us. Otherwise, this question would have been one line solution in the SQL. So let us write what we know as of now. Select employee ID, comma, department ID from employee where primary flag is equals to Y. Hope you get it. Now you can see you will get 2 and 4 employee ID would be sorted. Just come here, see. This is our output 2 and 1, 4 and 3. So 2 and 1 and 4 and 3 are the answer for this query. So half we are sorted. Now, how to tackle the department which have or which employees which have only one department in the name? So how we can write the query? We can write select again the same column. So I will keep writing it. Or let me do one thing. I will just remove this as of now and I will show you what I'm doing. Select uh, employee ID, comma. If I do count of employees, how many times these employees are coming into this table from employee group by, I mean, this will give the number of times each employee is appearing in that table. See, 1 is appearing 1 times, 3 is appearing 1 times. Just give me a minute. We can quickly write here having count star is equals to 1. Okay, so I will run this and now see what we get the answer. We got only those employees which have only one department. Now I can just give department underscore ID along with that and remove this count. I hope you understood how we are tackling the scenario where only one employee associated with only one department. Sorry, the okay, R is missing. So that is why I went step by step that how I will process this. I'm counting the employees, then filtering that the count should be equals to 1. And see, we got the other half answer 1133. Now, how do we join the answers where the number of columns and order of columns are same? Using join. We all know that. We have used multiple scenarios where we have used union, and now the answer is accepted. This was our uh, query to tackle the employees who have multiple entries, and this is the query to tackle the employees who has only one entry. So I went step by step. So I'm hoping you would have understood this question. A very important question for high-end companies, and it has been asked in bank companies. So be rest assured to practice this question. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.